So students, this is a numerical for you related to average speed and average velocity. Ram walks from point A to point B that are 100 meter apart in time 20 seconds. Then he turns back and moves 40 meter towards A in time 8 seconds. Calculate his average speed and average velocity. Now this is a very simple question. First thing you will do is you will draw a simple diagram in order to depict or denote the distance, okay, or the displacement. Suppose this is the starting point A. I am drawing it over here. This is the starting point A. This is the ending point B. Both these points are 100 meter apart. So Ram walks from point A to point B that are 100 meter apart in time 20 seconds. And what is the time taken to travel this distance? 20 seconds. Okay. Time taken is 20 seconds. 220 is S for second. And then he turns back. Now he is turning back. घूम गया वापस एक की तरफ. And moves 40 meter towards A. Suppose he is moving 40 meters towards A and he is reaching a point C. This distance traveled by him is 40 meter. And what is the time taken by him? 8 seconds. Time taken by him is 8 seconds. You have to calculate the average speed and average velocity. Now what is formula for average speed? The formula of average speed is total distance traveled upon total time taken. Okay? Total distance upon total time. This is the formula upon total time. Achha, remember one thing. Time is always added. It can never be subtracted. So whether you are calculating average speed or whether you are calculating average velocity, टाइम को हमेशा ऐड ही करना है. समय किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता, वो बढ़ता ही जाता है ना. काल का पहिया घूमता ही रहता है. नाउ सी, calculate the total distance. How can you calculate the total distance? He is traveling from A to B. A to B का distance कितना है? 100 meter. Then he is returning back from B to a point C and the distance is 40 meter. तो total distance कितना हो गया? मैंने बताया था डिस्टेंस में कुछ नहीं करना, आंख बंद करके ऐड कर देना है. तो व्हाट इज द टोटल डिस्टेंस? 100 प्लस 40. व्हाट इज द टोटल टाइम? 20 प्लस 8. 20 प्लस 8. नाउ बी वेरी केयरफुल. बहुत सारे बच्चे, इनफैक्ट अच्छे होशियार बच्चे क्या करते हैं, ये बिना ऐड किए 8 1 सा 8 5 सा 21 सा 25 सा 5 प्लस 5 10 आंसर आ गया. ये गलत है. बीच में कौन सा साइन है? डिवीजन का. अकॉर्डिंग टू बॉडमास रूल पहले आप इनको ऐड कर लो, उसके बाद ही ये डिवाइड होंगे. पहले एडिशन होगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो तो कितना आएगा? 100 प्लस 40 140. 20 प्लस 8 28. कभी भी गलती से भी अगर बीच में प्लस या माइनस का साइन है और यहां पर कोई डिजिट ऐसे दिए जो कैंसिल हो रहे हैं, कभी भी गलती से कैंसिल मत कर देना. पहले प्लस या माइनस करना, पूरा सॉल्व कर लेना, उसके बाद ही डिवाइड करना. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. नाउ यू कैन कैंसिल इट आउट. 140 अपॉन 28. यू कैन कैंसिल इट यूजिंग 4 7s are 4 3s are 12 2 0 4 5s are 20 and 7 1s are 7 5s. So what is the speed? 5 meter per second. This is the speed, 5 meter per second. I hope it is clear to you. Just add the total distance and divide it by the total time. You will get the average speed. Now we will calculate the average velocity. Now see students, we are calculating the average velocity. What is the formula? Total displacement upon total time taken. Now what is the initial point? A. What is the final point? C. अब since you have to calculate the displacement, you have to only look at the initial point and the final point. अब देखो A to B का डिस्टेंस कितना है 100, B to C का डिस्टेंस कितना है 40. तो ये जो रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस AC है ये कैसे आएगा? Subtract this distance and this distance, या subtract this 40 meter from 100 meter, you will get the answer. तो कितना आंसर आएगा? 40 minus 100, AC will come out to be 60 meter. Displacement में you have to only look at the initial and final point, बाकी किसी से मतलब नहीं. So what is the displacement? 60 meter. What is the time taken? अब मैंने बताया था time is always added. 20 plus 8, 28 second. Divide it and you will get the answer. You can cancel it by पहले अपन 4 से कर लेते हैं. 4 7 जा, ठीक है, 4 1 जा, 5 जा. 15 by 7. If you are dividing 15 upon 7, 7 2s are 14, 1 0, 7 1s are 7, 3 0, 7 4s are 28, 2 0, 7 2s are 14, 6 0, 7 8s are 56, 4 0, 7 5s are 35, 5 0, 7 7s are 49, 1 0, 7 1s are 7. So this entire thing will repeat again. आप करके देख लेना. I can write this as answer. Meter per second. So I hope average speed and average velocity are clear to you. One more thing you can see that speed का आंसर कितना था 5, velocity का कितना है 2 point something. तो यहाँ पर average speed is greater than average velocity. This is also one example. Okay.